Yeah, good evening. Here we are talking about Module 1, Module 2, yeah, Visa and Passport Legal Documentation Fluency. Okay, and let's start from the first part. Yeah, do you have a passport?
Yes, I do, sir. I got my first passport. It was in 2019. It's valid for 5 years, and I renewed it in 2024, and it's valid until 2034, sir,
Okay,
for
so
10 years.
now you have a valid passport to travel to the US, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And how often do you need to use your passport?
Pardon me, sir.
How often do you
How
need to
often?
use your passport?
My part. All right, sir. So for now in Indonesia, I don't really need my passport because I do have my identity card. But when I was in America, I every day always need my passport, sir.
Okay, and now what documents did you need to prepare when you applied for your passport?
All right. So when I applied for my passport, the documents that I need were family card, identity card, education certificate, family support, to, then bank statement supports. Yes, sir.
Okay, and is it easy or difficult to get a passport in your country?
All right. So when I applied my passport, it was running well, sir. But some people say it's difficult. Some people say it's easy, sir.
Okay, so you are very lucky,
Yeah.
yeah. So you got
Yes,
your
I think so.
passport easily. And have you ever helped someone apply for a visa or travel document?
All right. Maybe some people ask me how to make the passport. I will tell them, but I never fill it up for them, sir.
Okay,
I just
so
told them.
they
Yeah.
do themselves, but you give some information, yeah, relating to this. Yeah.
Yes, exactly, sir. Mm.
Okay, so but they need to keep filling the form by themselves. Good. Yeah, so you don't need to
Yes, sir.
do that. Right now, we move on to talk about a specific experience, yeah, that you have involving travel documentations. Yeah. Can you now describe a time when you had to prepare legal documents for international travel?
All right, sir. So when I applied for the first J1 to the Chicken Latte Spa, it's in Florida, in south of America. No, no, south, like south part of America, United States. And the document that I needed, it were passport, visa, DS 2019, family support, like bank statement. Mm, I think I think that's all, sir.
Okay, and
Yeah.
do you find easy or difficult?
It was up and down, sir. Sometimes I feel that I know that will be easy, sir. But when it came difficult, I will ask my agent to tell me about how to fill it up, sir.
Okay, yeah, so just you have to make sure that all documents required for the visa application are ready and available.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, and now
Thank you, sir.
we move on to part three, yeah, to discuss a broader issue, yeah, that relate to travel documentation and international mobility. Now, my questions: why is it important for the people to have a valid travel document while they are traveling abroad?
All right, sir. For the valid document trail, it's really important, sir. Like, for example, you always need a document to go to some place, and when you lose something, or maybe died, it's really important, sir,
Yeah.
to
So
identify yourselves.
yeah. So the government representative will help you. Yeah. In the case of emergency. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Good.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you must confirm that
Thank you.
all your documents must be valid. Good. And how do
All right.
immigration law and visa requirement affect the international travel today?
So in my country, it's running well. The policy is good for now. So I think it's good, sir, in my country.
Okay. In your opinion, should digital passport or biometric IDs replace with the paper-based passport?
So, in my opinion, uh, online, like the biometric passport, it's good, sir. Like more easy, you can take it everywhere. But when your phone get off, you can use your passport. So the paper passport will be good in that situation, sir. So it's between, sir, in between.
Okay, so at the moment, which passport do you have?
I do have paper passports.
Okay, yeah,
So
good. And what problem can arise if someone loses their passport while traveling?
so if someone lose their passport while traveling, it's a big problem, sir, because even you can go back to your country. If you lose something, you can go to the police because you don't have any identity. So that's a big problem.
Okay, that would be a problem, yeah. Okay, and then
Yeah.
how do different countries ensure the security of their passport system?
I think in every country they have their police policy and security systems, sir. But in my country, Indonesia, already have a good security and policy system, sir.
Okay, yeah, so it's valid internationally. Okay. And then we
Yes,
come to
sir.
the last question for this module. Yeah, do you think that countries should simplify their visa application process to promote tourism?
All right. In my opinion, it's not. You can make like now it's better than simple, sir, because when it gets simple, every people like not selected, not qualified people can come to your country, and something maybe not qualified people can come easily, sir. But when it's difficult, it's good for the country, for the government, sir. So only selected people can come to the country.
Okay, so it needs very strict regulations, yeah, to select,
Exactly, sir.
yeah, the good
Straight.
people entering particular country. Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah,
Thank you.
so it's nice to talk with you about passport and legal document fluency. Okay. Thank
All
you.
right, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.